All right, good morning. I don't know if you can tell, I am sick, so bear with me here. But this is your review. We are still having the test tomorrow because I need to give you a lot of information after the test is done. So please watch the video, and it'll tell you exactly how to do every single problem in the test. I'm going to do the left side, and then you guys can do the right as practice. All right. So the top two problems are, they're not new. They're just kind of explaining things. So first, what you should do is you should throw the cheat sheet thing up top. So the S, the O, the H, the C, the A, the H, and then the T, and then the O, and the A. Right? So you remember what uses what. So it's just asking you what sides will be used or would have to be labeled in order to use, like sine, cosine, or tangent. So for this one, it's cosine or cos. So you look at cos, the C, and it says A over H. So it would be adjacent. And then on the test side, we'll have a word bank for you so you can spell the words right. And then hypotenuse for H. Oops. Okay. And then same here. With tangent, find the T. I forgot you guys are going to do that one. Anyway, so you go down. So that's that one. You go down to the next one. This is the heavy one, right? You got to solve. So first, here's your angle. You label the picture. H is always across from the right angle or the slanted side, the longest side. And then the A is always next to the angle, which makes the O the farthest away. Think Michael Jordan in Space Jam, obviously. So we can cross off the H because there's nothing on there. So we need O and A. So we look back up. Looks like it's tan. So put tan there, and then the O is on top, X, A is on the bottom, 18. And then we cross multiply. So throw down the 1, and then multiply here. So 1 times X is 1X, and then tan 55, 18, tan 55, 18. So tan 55 times 18, and that you can throw in the calculator. Here we go. Let's throw it on top. Make sure my mode is good. Yep. Remember, make sure this is on degree right here. So tan 55, close parentheses, times 18, 25.7 equals 1x. And then you can divide by 1, cancels out, divide by 1, you still get the same thing, 25.7. All right? All right, the next one, evaluating. Remember, it just looks a little different. So you take, get that away. You take this, and you plug it in for all of the variables that you see. So instead of it saying n equals 1, it's going to be like in the parentheses, f of 1. So it's 1 squared minus 3 times 1, right? So 1 squared is 1 times 1, which is 1. 3 times 1 is 3. So 1 minus 3 is 2. Done. Bring back this. This is just solving, okay? So you're just going to start with cross multiplying. And then you go from there. So 1 times 15 is 15. Cos 46 times x Well, they're not like terms, so cos 46x. And then you got to get x by itself. So you divide by cos 46. Cos 46. So you got x over here, and whatever 15 divided by cos 46 is. There you go. 21.6. Done. Remember that 9 makes the 5 round up. Okay? Only a couple more to do. Solve the system. We've done these before. First, you just add straight down. You're going to cancel out one of the variables. It looks like it's going to be the x's, right? Negative 2 plus 2 cancels. Negative 2y plus 6y is 4y. And then negative 12 plus 20 is 8. Then you divide by whatever's with the y, or whatever was with the variable. So 4, and then y equals 2. And then you take that and you plug it into one of them. So usually I do the top one, but you can pick whatever one you want. So since it's y equals, I'm going to plug it in for y. So I got negative 2x minus 2 times y, which is 2, equals negative 12. And then here I have to multiply this first. So I have negative 2x minus 4 equals negative 12. I'm going to add 4 to both sides. Then you got negative 2x equals negative 8. And then divide by negative 2. And then x equals 4. Done. All right, and then we did multiplying. This is the FOIL method, okay? So I'm going to change color for this. All right. So you do the first times the first. It's always the x's times the x's. So 4 times 2 is 8. And then x times x is x squared. And then you do the outsides. 4x times 3. Well, 4 times 3 is 12. And then the 4 has an x on it. So you got to bring the x with. Then you do the insides. So negative 5 times 2x. Well, negative 5 times 2 is negative 10. And the 2 has an x on it. So you got to bring the x with. And then the last terms, negative 5 times 3, which is negative 15. And if you follow that order, the middle terms, the one that have x's on them, you're going to not multiply, you're going to add them together. So 12 plus negative 10, or 12 minus 10, is 2. So 2x, and then bring the 8x squared down. Bring the negative 15 down, and you are done. Okay? And last but not least, your favorite diamond puzzles. So 1 multiplies a negative 108 and adds to negative 3. So start making your list. Okay? You can Google multiplying charts, to help you with this, or you can divide, but I would just Google multiplication chart. So you got 1, 108, 2, 54, 3, 36, 4, I think 27. Yeah, 27. Not 5. 6 and 18. Not 7. 8. Not 8. 9. 9 and 12. And I think that's it. So then this number, right, since it's a negative, the bigger number column, which is the right column, has to match that sign. So I'm going to throw negatives on every single bigger number. Then you go down the line. Okay? 1 minus 108, negative 107. Nope. 2 minus 54, negative 52. Nope. 3 minus 36, negative 33. No. 4 minus 27, negative 23. No. 6 minus 18, negative 12. No. 9 minus 12, -3. Bingo. So 9 and -12. Those are your answers. Okay? Please do this. We still have our test tomorrow. So be ready. And if you have any questions, just let me know. All right? Have a great day, guys.